This is a 2007 Honda Odyssey. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a multi-disc CD player, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, stability control, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 49,000 miles. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Wilde Honda is located at 7333 South Tamiami Trail in Sarasota. Also shop GoWildeHonda.com. It's got to be wild.